Pigs in a blanket is one of my favorite appetizers, and we're only going to do it with 2 ingredients. We're doing a wonton pigs in a blanket. So we're just going to fold that tightly and make sure it's sealed really well, and then we're going to take this to your oil and fry them up just for a few minutes till it's like really golden brown. And that is it. And you can serve this with your favorite dipping sauce. I have some honey mustard here. So follow for the second part of these wonton appetizer series. Second part of our wonton appetizer series, we're going cheesy with mozzarella sticks and pepperoni pizza sticks. So grab your wonton skin, put your mozzarella in that and seal it up well. And for the pepperoni, we're using mini ones. Put your mozzarella sticks and seal it, and then we're going to take it to our oil and we're going to fry that up until it's golden brown and nice and melty in the middle. You're going to serve this with your favorite marinara sauce, and it just is so good. And then just take a look at how cheesy and nice that comes out. Follow for the third part of our wonton appetizer series. We are making spicy jalapeno popper wontons. So start with softened cream cheese, diced jalapenos. I added some bacon, smoked paprika, and your favorite shredded cheese. We're going to mix that well and then place just a little bit into our wonton skin, fold that up and seal it really well. I like to do that with a fork. And then we're going to take it to our oil and fry that up till it's nicely golden brown. I love spicy, so I serve it with extra sliced jalapenos. And look at how creamy and cheesy that is. Follow for the fourth part of our wonton series. It's a sweet one. Promise the fourth part of our wonton appetizer series is a sweet one. It's cookie dough. So we're going to start with our wonton skin and sugar cookie dough, and the second one is our chocolate chip cookie dough. So we're just going to seal that well and then grab it and put it in your oil, and we're going to fry that until it's nicely golden brown, and we're going to serve it with some good toppings. So we've got hot fudge here, and then sprinkle it with some powdered sugar, and then we've got dulce de leche, and top it with more powdered sugar. Oh, they are so good, nice and warm and sweet. You're gonna love this one. So follow for more homebody recipes.